Nandito po kami sa isang celebration. Pagpapasalamat ng magulang ni Advent dahil nakasapit na po siya sa unang taon na kanyang arawan.
It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Ang babying ito, matagal ko talagang hiningi na sa Panginoon na pagkalooban na sila ng baby. So, hindi nagtagal ay sinagot ng Panginoon ang aking prayer.
Sana Lord, patuloy siyang gabayan ng Panginoon, kasama yung kanyang mommy at daddy. Hinihiling ko sa iyo Lord na patuloy mo lang siyang gabayan sa kanyang paglaki, maging mabait, matalino, at maging masaya sa kanyang paglaki.
I hope he grows up as a God-fearing, responsible, and respectful, of course, na anak.
I just wanna celebrate all night.
It's now time for Daddy Ian to open their gifts for Baby Advent.
There's nothing like feeling alive. There's nothing like feeling alive.
Ang wish mo kay Agnes ay sana lumaki siyang malusog and mabait.
I think I have the same wish din sa mga tatay. Lumaki yung anak nila na God-fearing, matalino, diskarte, and gusto ko maging masaya siya.
I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate.
Whitening Package or Sunrox and Ariel! Relaxation Package or Salon Pass and Paudi Alco! Salon Package or Shampoo and Conditioner! 1,000 or 1,000 gold! 1,000 or 3 kilos of rice! 1,500 or 1.5 gold!
So thank you everyone for coming today. You are now part of Advent's life.
I just wanna celebrate all night.